Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Solana wallet address to Trust Wallet so you can send and receive SOL or Solana-based tokens. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, open your Trust Wallet app. On the main wallet screen, tap the plus or Add Wallet button. Then select Solana from the list of supported blockchains. Trust Wallet will generate a new Solana wallet for you automatically. Make sure to securely back up your recovery phrase or private key. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your device. Never share this phrase with anyone. Once your wallet is added, you can copy your Solana address by tapping Receive. This is the address you'll use to receive SOL or other tokens on the Solana network. You can now use this address to send funds from another wallet or exchange. That's it. Adding a Solana wallet to Trust Wallet is simple and secure when you follow the steps carefully. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.